Welcome to Eco Insights, where we uncover the science behind the natural world and their impact on our planet. Today, we're diving into one of the most astonishing scientific pursuits of our time: the idea of bringing extinct species back to life. Yes, you heard that right. De-extinction, the process of reviving extinct animals, is no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. From frozen mammoth cells to reconstructed genomes of the passenger pigeon, scientists are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in genetics, biotechnology, and conservation. But today, I want to focus on one particularly haunting and iconic figure of extinction: the dire wolf. You probably remember them from pop culture, massive, shadowy wolves from the Ice Age, made even more famous by Game of Thrones. But dire wolves were real. They roamed North and South America until about 10,000 years ago, before vanishing from the planet. Now, thanks to a fascinating convergence of ancient DNA analysis, synthetic biology, and cloning technology, researchers are working to bring back a genetic proxy of this lost predator. So how exactly does this work? Let's start with the science. At the heart of de-extinction is genomic sequencing. By extracting fragments of DNA from ancient bones, often found preserved in permafrost or caves, scientists can piece together partial genomes. It's like solving a puzzle with many missing pieces. But using computational biology and the genomes of closely related modern species such as the gray wolf, researchers can begin to fill in the gaps. Then comes CRISPR gene editing, a powerful tool that acts like molecular scissors. This allows scientists to precisely insert and delete DNA segments. In the case of a dire wolf-like proxy, scientists might take a gray wolf embryo and gradually alter it to express more dire wolf traits: stronger jaws, different fur patterns, a more robust skeletal structure. The result isn't a true dire wolf, but a genetically engineered animal that resembles one. This is where companies like Colossal Biosciences come in. They've captured headlines by announcing plans to de-extinct not just the dire wolf, but also the woolly mammoth and the dodo. Their approach combines cutting-edge genetics with ambitious conservation goals. And this isn't just about spectacle. There are real-world applications. In medicine, the tools developed for de-extinction, from CRISPR to advanced stem cell culturing, are already accelerating research into genetic diseases and personalized therapies. In conservation, these technologies are being used to protect endangered species, enhance genetic diversity, and potentially reintroduce ecological stability through so-called proxy species, animals that fill the role of extinct ones. Imagine rewilding efforts where a dire wolf proxy helps manage overpopulated herbivore species in controlled reserves, or a mammoth-like elephant that helps maintain tundra grasslands, slowing permafrost melt. But this bold frontier isn't without its ethical dilemmas. Should we bring back species that had their time on Earth? Do we risk disrupting ecosystems in unpredictable ways? And what responsibility do we have to ensure the well-being of these new, hybrid creatures, not quite past, not quite present? Still, the question isn't just whether we can bring species back, it's whether we should and under what conditions. Some scientists argue that de-extinction can't replace the protection of current biodiversity. Others believe it can complement it, offering new hope in a world where extinction is accelerating due to climate change and habitat destruction. So what does the future look like? Perhaps it's a world where advanced genomics allows us to reverse damage already done, where synthetic biology is used not just to resurrect the past, but to protect what still lives. Maybe we'll walk beside woolly giants in the Arctic or hear the howl of a dire wolf echo across protected wilderness once again. For now, de-extinction is a work in progress, part science, part philosophy, and entirely revolutionary. Hope. This episode has sparked your curiosity about the incredible intersection of genetics, ecology, and imagination.